Feeling stuck in a debt cycle and wondering how to break free and actually build wealth? You're not alone, and today, I'm sharing 5 clever strategies that can completely change your financial game. Stick around, because these tips are simple, powerful, and you can start using them right away. First up, the snowball method. Forget focusing on high-interest debt for a second. Instead, list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of the interest rate. Pay the minimum on everything, but throw every extra dollar you have at the smallest debt. Once that's paid off, you'll feel a huge sense of accomplishment. Then, you take all the money you were paying on that debt and roll it over to the next smallest one. This creates a snowball of momentum that makes tackling debt feel like winning a game. Strategy number 2 is to automate your savings. This is a classic for a reason. It works. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account every payday, even if it's just $20 or $50. The key is consistency. You're paying yourself first, before you even have a chance to spend that money. Over time, this small habit builds a powerful financial cushion and becomes the foundation of your wealth. Third, master the 48-hour rule. Before making any non-essential purchase over a certain amount, say $100, force yourself to wait 48 hours. This simple pause helps you separate impulse buys from genuine needs. You'll be surprised how often the urge to buy something just disappears after a couple of days. It's a fantastic way to keep your spending in check and redirect that cash towards your financial goals. Our fourth strategy is to create multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck is risky in today's world. Think about your skills and hobbies. Could you freelance, start a small side business, or sell products online? Even a small extra income can make a massive difference. It can accelerate your debt repayment, boost your investments, and give you a greater sense of financial security. Finally, educate yourself. This is the most important strategy of all. Read books, listen to podcasts, and follow financial experts. The more you learn about personal finance, investing, and building wealth, the more confident you'll become. Knowledge empowers you to make smarter decisions and spot opportunities that others might miss. You are your own best financial advisor. So there you have it, the snowball method, automating savings, the 48-hour rule, creating multiple income streams, and continuous learning. Start with just one of these, and you'll be on your way to sidestepping debt traps and building a brighter financial future. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and subscribe for more content to help you win with your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.